Hey, today's video is going to be about strategies to help small YouTubers grow on this platform. I know you're probably looking at my subscriber count. At the time of this video, it's like 366 probably, which isn't a lot. I'm not at a threshold to be monetized yet, but I want to share the strategies that is working for me that I am seeing show growth. Because for like a year, I've been sitting at 300 and between 300 and 298 because some people, some people will find my channel and be like, oh, you know what? And then they would like disappear. It is what it is. But I don't know. I started for the last 2 weeks. I started being super consistent, and those 66 subscribers, I got those in those 2 weeks. So I am gonna talk about what works for me. Hopefully you can try it and it'll work for you. But if that's what you want to do, like I personally this year, I am trying to make content that I'm like just happy about it. I want to do, and I am on my road to having multiple revenue streams. So I am actually trying to get monetized. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. If you are someone who is interested in entrepreneurship, finance, and like having your own small business, this was the channel for you, because this is what I'm going to be talking about budgeting. I'm going to be talking about different like actual hustles that work, like stuff that actually give you money. And then when I find out the stuff that work, I'm gonna actually break it down for you so you can know how to do it as well. Because I don't like when I go to some channels and they're like, you can do this, this, and this, and stuff they ain't even tried. I'm like, that sounds like a Google article that you just decided to do a video about. Like, real talk. So, the first thing I want to talk about is finding something you actually want to do. So, like I said, stuff that I actually want to do and I actually like to talk about is entrepreneurship, finance, because I'm always trying to like be ahead of myself. I don't like being like negative dollars in the bank. I don't like that life. I'm not about that life, and I'm trying to get out of it. So, and it's kind of messed up because so many people they mess it up for us, like trusting them, because there's so many scammers over here, especially some of these YouTube people. Like, long as they get their bag, they don't care what they put you at. I am not like that. The type of person I am, I don't like doing stuff to people that I don't want done to me. Because I recently got my identity stolen, and I was not about that life at all. But with that case, I'll make a little side note. If you do experience something like that, make sure you call all the credit bureaus. I don't know how to say it right, y'all can talk about it in the comments if you want to, whatever. But make sure you contact all of them. Put a security code on your social, and put like alerts on there. And with the time that we live in now, download the apps for all the credit bureaus, and download all the apps for them after you call them, and then you'll be able to freeze and unfreeze your account on your own free will. That is what I did, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. If I'm not trying to get a car or get a house or anything like that where I have to use my credit, I won't. I know that was a side note from this, but I'm just letting y'all know how I feel, and that was no. But anyway, make sure you find something that you actually want to do, that you actually want to talk about. Because when you get on this camera, it's very awkward, especially if you're starting off at it and you're not used to talking to yourself. I've had years of experience of talking to myself. I was the only child. Well, I grew up as the only child. I have siblings. Let me make sure I say that. I have siblings. My dad has kids with other women, so I do have siblings. But I grew up as an only child, so I didn't get to see my siblings all the time, just like over summers and stuff, because they stayed out of state. But yes, I was bored a lot when I wasn't with them, and I would talk to myself. If you play make believe with your toys, then you talk to yourself. Just do it like that when you're doing these YouTube videos. But it's real easy to do it when it's something that you enjoy talking about. The next thing is growing your audience. Yeah, people like, oh, grow your audience. Yes. The way you can grow your audience, these are steps that I am doing. I found three platforms that I am focusing on. Mostly two, but I do post on Instagram. Instagram is not popping like it used to be. It used to be up there, but then TikTok came. So I focus on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. is, I see, so for YouTube Shorts, which is basically TikTok, I just repurpose things from TikTok. What I find that works for me when I'm doing these shorts, I am posting stuff that's interesting to me. I talk about stuff, like I actually make shorts, but then I actually, like if I see something on TikTok that's funny, you know, you can save those videos. I save them and then I repurpose them on YouTube. It gives me followers. It's working. That's what I've been doing consistently for 2 weeks, and it got me 66 subscribers. It's like you can see your analytics and you can see who comes back, and a good chunk of people come back, like 8 people come back, but there's a lot of people that aren't following me still. But it's a strategy that I feel like works for me. You may not want to try that strategy. You probably want to do your own consistent, you know, stuff. But it's for the shorts, yeah. So when you see a lot of shorts on my page, it's stuff that I am interested in, or probably like a little lesson or whatever that I'm trying to give y'all if you actually see me in it, because that's what it is. All right. Again, post about stuff that you are interested in. That kind of wraps up with the first one, growing your audience. I post about stuff that I'm interested in. If it's funny to me, I'm pretty sure if there was like millions of people that liked it on TikTok, I'm pretty sure it's funny to somebody else too. So I repurpose it. Like, and I'm not trying to steal the person's stuff. You can see clearly that their watermark is on it. Like, I'm not trying. So another step I have is create something for your new followers. So like I said on my video, it'd be about entrepreneurship, small business, and finance. Budgeting is my part of finance that I'll be talking about. But once you get this audience, say when you do get monetized and you do grow and you continue getting more people, like for me, I'm treating this like a business, because I do have a business, and I have 3 actually. I have a body butter business that I created. It originally created it with my daughter, but as she's getting a teenager, she don't want to do business, so she want to do her teenage stuff, which is okay. But I already started this business, so I'm going to continue it. And she still helps me on weekends when she's not doing sports or with friends or anything. So I'm fine with that. It was something that I created with her, and it's like a second baby to me. So I'm going to stick with it. Excuse me. With that being said, I will be creating different scents and try and experiment in different things. So I am going to be giving away free like body butters and free sugar scrubs. Well, body scrubs. It's not necessarily going to be sugar, but I'm going to be giving those away for free to the people that subscribe to my channel, and I have like ebooks and stuff. I'm just trying to like help people the way I would like to be helped. I'm going to stop right here because my battery's about to die and I need to change it. I'm sorry y'all, bear with me. I will try to lighten up this video because I am sitting in natural light, but it's about to storm. So how natural is that if it get dark? Anyway. So as I was saying, like I said, I have a business. I am a videographer, photographer. I started a media company. So on my website, you can go check out Francesca Williams Media. It's fwmediallc.com. I am in the process of redesigning my website because I like to keep it fresh and keep it updated. I update it every week. I'll be happy when I take off some of these hats that I'm carrying. But like I said, this is a photography book that I made. I usually keep it in my office for my clients, but it was just something to show you. And you could also, every time I make one of these videos and I try to like teach something, I create an ebook for you. Like I go in depth at how you can do this stuff. And if you guys are interested in watching my road to 1,000 and getting monetized, then I will also make a book for that. But that's going to be once I actually get monetized. So I'm just documenting things right now. And hopefully y'all will join the journey with me, and we taking that journey together, and we make these coins together. But I don't plan on getting monetized on YouTube. Is not my end all be all. All right, I want to get monetized and just to have as a passive income, because as we all know, or we should know, that YouTube AdSense is not really consistent, and it's not really like a lifestyle thing. Like, I'm not gonna say it's not a lifestyle thing. Let me correct what I'm saying. it's not consistent and reliable to like only have that as your one source. If that's the case, I wouldn't want to have multiple sources of income, because to be honest, no one source of income is reliable. Like, something can happen. We all just went through COVID and everyone lost their jobs. Luckily, the job that I had, I didn't lose, but I was working like 2-3 jobs at the time, and I did have a major cut on income because I only went to doing that one job. I was a caregiver, and I was going to stay working with my aunt. I took care of her anyway. I had to make sure she was okay. And I was literally getting paid to take care of my aunt, which is, it is what it is. All right. The next one is, if you're going to be on your social media platforms growing it, take it serious. Don't care. Don't listen to what nobody else say. Oh, you over there trying to... Yes, I am. Mind your business. Either you support or you don't. But don't try to bring me down because you don't believe in me. If people don't believe in you and don't take you serious, that's their problem. You still take it serious. Because what I'm going to always do is focus on what I want to do. Just like, for example, when you're with someone, everyone always plays the fool in a relationship. Sometimes you're the good guy, sometimes you're the bad guy. But when you're in a relationship that you want to be in, you make the effort. Being in this social media, growing my business, growing my platform, that's a relationship I want to be in. So I'm putting in the effort. Hopefully that was a good analogy. I don't even know if I'm using the right words. I just want to make my video before the light goes like really dark. And my final step is keep going. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, 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 swimming. Yup. Like, a lot of times, if you look, when I created this channel a long time ago. But I was like, oh, I want to do a YouTube channel. But life got in the way. And I just wasn't focused on YouTube. I was younger, way younger then. And I didn't want people in my business and stuff like that, because I had people that was interested in what I was doing. It'll be people that still to this day still do it. It'll be people that will be focused on what you're doing, going on your social media and talking crap about you, but not actually supporting you. They just want to see what you're doing and see if you actually blow up. And then the fake love and support come. Nah. But keep doing it for you, not for them. Just keep going, because that's going to happen regardless. Like, as soon as somebody see you, oh, for example, I'm nowhere near like thousands of subscribers or whatever. I got like 1,000 something followers on almost each platform except YouTube. But the thing is when they see me doing stuff like going to LA or going to these events, and they're like, oh, girl, I knew you. Can we link up with you? No, why do you want to link up with me? Because when I was trying to link up with you, you ain't had the time, and you pushed me to the side. Like, keep that energy, because you show me what I don't want. And you make sure you keep away from people and stuff like that. But if any of these tips help, because right now these are just tips, and do the TikTok thing and the YouTube, because what I love about YouTube and TikTok, you can see your analytics. And you can see how far along people are watching, and if they like interested, whatever. But yes, if you stay to the end of this video, I will give you a 100% free discount code to the ebook that I have on my platform about that. That's about the structure of storytelling. I will give you the free work, but that's for me, just to see who actually is paying attention to the full video. So I will reward people that stay all the way to the end. There will be a link in my bio for the people that stayed to the end to get the ebook for free. It's $15 for if you just want to be a supporter and pay for it, but I will give it away 100% free in my bio. Link in bio at the end of the video. I see you guys next time, because I'm going to be posting. I want to get in the habit of posting, I'm going to say 2 times a week right now, because I'm going to be realistic. It takes time to edit these, and it takes time to film them. So, yes.